What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart in Oklahoma City for another Copart walk around. So let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a 2014 Nissan Titan. I kind of like these trucks, guys. I kind of like them a lot. And I know you're probably getting tired of pickup trucks, but unfortunately, we have what we have out here, guys, and it's a lot of trucks. Don't worry, this is not going to be a dedicated truck video. We're just starting out with one today. So we got some damage to the back. Obviously, it was rear-ended, but it doesn't look like it's that bad to me. Spare tires down there. There's the rear bumper, which obviously got completely totaled out there. But let's take a look underneath and see what's going on here. Here's your frame rail. There's one of them, and there's the other. They actually look to be in pretty good shape. Everything up here, this cross member looks good. The bed looks fine. I mean, unless there's frame damage further on down the line. Oh, and I think I see it. Hold on. I do. Dang it. Right there. I had to climb under the truck to find it, but there it is. You see how messed up that is? Yep. Oh, man, that frame damage is so minor. The other side is not like that at all. It's not made to be that way. There's the other side. So, obviously, the majority of the impact was on the driver's side rear there. That is so minor, though, guys. Like, I know insurance companies, they have to bring the cars back to OE spec. Luckily for us, we don't have to do that. I would not worry about this truck with that tiny little kink in the frame rail there. Now you can see that the bed impacted the cab here. Yeah, it came in, then it kind of popped back out. But I mean, if you look at the line here, going straight down, it's nice and straight. For somebody looking for a used vehicle to get them back and forth, you know, to run errands and everything, this would be fine. Look, the tailgate still works. There's nothing that I can see that's really wrong with this truck that would keep you from being able to actually use this. It's got a ton of life left in it. The interior is beautiful, especially for being a 2014. I don't know what the miles are on it. It's got good tires all around. The body looks great. This is nice. Let's take a look. It says dash faceplate. Okay, I don't know what that means, but anyway, it's even got power. This thing will probably fire right up. Oh, I see. This got broken here. This one little trim piece that goes around the instrument cluster got broken. Let's fire it up. I guarantee she runs like a top. Then we can find out what the mileage is on this one. Oh yeah, 82,000 miles. Yeah, this truck has got an entire life left in it. At least another 80,000 miles for sure. At least. So throw a bumper on it, a new tow hitch, replace this broken bezel, and call it a day. This is nice. I guarantee everything works. Power windows. Yeah, they work. This does not have a sunroof, but it does have the power down back window. I think that is super cool. Steering feels fine. Brakes feel fine. Right into gear. You got your little backup camera there that works. Right into gear as well. Put it in 4 high. And she shifted into 4 high. So 4x4 works as well. And back to 2. This is really, really nice. The paint color on this is called Venetian Ruby. Venetian Ruby. Okay. It is a nice color. Let's see if we can find the hood pop. Let's take a peek under the hood real quick. Oh, wow. Yeah. There's that. Man, anyway. Carnage, right? It's all over out here. This is such a clean vehicle. I don't see a sign of anything leaking under the hood anywhere. Nothing at all. It's just beautiful. Okay, well, that's one down, guys. I'm gonna call this one a win. This is an easy fix, and it's worth quite a bit of money. Next on my list, let's see if we can find what's wrong with this one. A 2012 Cadillac Escalade ESV, and I have always just had a thing for these headlights, man. I think those things look sick. Somebody put some aftermarket wheels on it. Front tires are worn down pretty good. Back tires are all right. She's probably going to be a little rough. I can already tell. It's a big SUV, and it's a platinum too. Okay. Now you tell me why this one's here, guys. It looks good. It needs tires. It's a little dirty. It's got kind of, I don't know, like tar or something all over it. And these wheels, why would you do that, man? Why would you do that? Definitely would want to go back with the factory wheels and tires. These things probably come with like 22s, and instead, what did they put on? They put 16s. Oh, they're dry rotted too. So these are probably just some junk wheels that they threw on it. They took the nice wheels off of it. Yeah, these are 16s. I don't know for sure that it came with 22s, but surely it would have at least come with 20s. I don't know. I don't think it looks very good. Front bumper's got a tad bit of damage, nothing too crazy. Looks like it bumped into something, a very light hit, little crack there. Really not a big deal. Beautiful pearlescent white. Let's see what the interior looks like here. Oh, wow. Ooh. I had a hunch this one's going to be a little gnarly on the inside there. I mean, it's still a beautiful truck, but boy, she needs a cleaning. I mean, looks like some kid puked all over the daggum screen right there. Then you got all your, I just never, man, never, ever would I let my kids do something like this to my car. Never, golly. I mean, obviously it smells about the way it looks. Crap all over the inside and stains everywhere, and oh, wow. And it's not just the kids, man. You know, it's not just the kids, because up here tells you how the grown-ups were living. You got glitter stuck to the seats, glitter stuck to the center. It's disgusting, man. Really, it's disgusting. What a shame. This is probably, I mean, I'm just kind of guessing here, but this is probably a repo. Looks like oil was changed 9/10/22 for your next service. Okay, so it's supposed to come back 9/10/22 at 159,000 miles. So, I mean, the miles aren't horrible on it. Let's pop the hood. I'm assuming this has the 6.2, the LS3, if I'm not mistaken. Let's find out. I suppose it could be a 6.0. Oh, well, they took the emissions label off. So I guess we're never gonna know. Okay, well, I could Google it. I'm just too lazy. So if you guys know, tell me, is it a 6.0? Is it a 6.2? What did they put underneath the hood on these 2012 Escalades? Lots of room to work on the daggum thing, though. Lots of room. I'm going to go ahead and grab the jump pack. Let's fire this thing up and see what she sounds like. Well, she's making noise. That's a plus. Ooh. Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all. She sounds awful. Steering is fine. Brakes are solid. Goes into gear both ways, but she's running badly. Look at that thing just shake. Poor truck, man. I'll go ahead and shut this one off. I was hoping that maybe it would clear up on its own, but no, it's not. It sure doesn't run. It doesn't want to run at all. If I'm not mistaken, don't these have that cylinder deactivation problem that so many GMs are notorious for? These are the ones where you end up with a worn out cam lobe and you end up with lots of internal engine damage. It can be fixed. I've seen it done on YouTube many times, but it's a very involved repair. It requires taking the whole engine off. Cylinder heads, camshafts got to come out. It's a big job. And I just wonder if that's it. Now, typically, when it starts doing this, you'll hear a tapping in the engine. I didn't hear any tapping, so could it just be, you know, something as simple as maybe it needs a tune-up, some plugs, and maybe a set of coils? It could be. I don't know. You guys comment below and tell me what you think. For me, I'm going to pass. Last on my list is a 2007 Infiniti QX56. You just don't see these anymore, man. They were kind of ahead of their time with the crazy lights. This one, I'm not sure what it's here for. It's got a little bit of damage to the front. Looks like the bumper may have just tapped something very lightly. It doesn't look too bad. It's got good tires. The body looks relatively clean so far. We'll wait till we get around to the other side. Good back here. We got the towing package. I believe this is the same 5.6 liter V8 that Nissan used in everything. It's got a little damage back here, and here's one. This, there, yeah. This wheel is bent like this. The suspension is somehow damaged under there. Yeah, you could see where this went up on a curb or something. So there's going to be some suspension damage, probably just a control arm under here. And you can see where somebody drove or locked up the brakes. It absolutely destroyed the tire. The tread is just eaten up on that. So a little bit of damage back there to be aware of. A little bit of damage over here too. Nothing too serious, but on something this old, you can see how easy it would be to total it out for little things like this. Okay, let's take a look at the interior. Your guess is as good as mine, whether it's nice and clean or full of food from the kiddos. This one actually looks good. It doesn't smell good. No, it doesn't smell good, but it looks good on the interior. This one's not bad. A little bit of stuff on the floor, no big deal. The seat here almost looks like somebody just cut it. They must have thrown something on here, and when they drug it out, it sliced it open. That'd be my guess. Yeah, this isn't bad at all. This would be an easy fix, because all I would do is I'd repair the suspension in the back, take it in for a four-wheel alignment, make sure everything else is good to go on it as far as running and driving, and we call it a day. Let's put the key in and see what it does. Nothing, of course. It's not too bad up here. Oh, oil change. 7.5 of 22, 229, 195 on the miles. Ooh, she got some miles on her, doesn't she? Well, it's an Infiniti. I mean, it's a Nissan. So, you know, I wouldn't really be all that scared of the miles. It doesn't look bad at all on the inside or the outside. So I think it's safe to assume that somebody was taking pretty good care of it. There's your 5.6 right there. This either needs to come out or someone needs to tack it back up there. Big old battery. Let's throw a jump on it real quick and let's see what she does. Well, the windshield wipers came on, so I'd be willing to bet it was raining when they had their accident here. Oh, yeah, let's turn all this off. Hell, I don't even know how to turn it off. I think that's off. There we go. Let's turn this off too. Good Lord, this thing's got... There's a million buttons in this. My goodness, and you got your clock down there. You got tow mode, heated seats. We could turn all that stuff off too. Turn signals on. Okay, now let's try to start it up. She fired right up. She fired right up. Port and window. Yes, sir. All right. Navigation. Boy, this is old school. There we go. We have any crazy lights on the dash? No. Just a seatbelt, and it's out of gas. Completely out of gas. Wonder if four-wheel drive works. Yes, it does. Yeah? Okay. What do you think the chances are the air conditioning works? Oh, they got it in... Ooh. Oh, I hate that noise. I don't know about you, but I hate that noise. That is awful. Let's see if the AC kicks in. Steering feels good. Go ahead, and brakes feel good too. Right into reverse. Backup camera works. Right into drive. Okay. This is nice. This is really nice. I don't feel the air conditioning, so I'm going to just go out on a limb and say it probably is not functioning. Maybe it's just not on. It says AC auto air. Yeah, it says AC is on. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay. Yeah, it's cold. It's a little slow, but it's cold. We can turn all that off. Service engine soon light just came on. The washer fluid light is on, and there's a TPMS light that's on over there as well. This is a nice little ride. It probably won't go for a whole lot of money. You got your book in here as well. Yeah, with the mileage and being a salvage title, I guarantee this won't go for a lot of money. But this is something you could definitely sell. You could definitely sell this. What is all this? Up, up, down, open, close for your wing windows, and this would be for your sunroof right there. Not bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off because she is completely out of gas. I like this though. I do. So I'm going to throw this on my watch list, and we'll see what happens come auction day. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button. And of course, thank you to Copart for allowing us to come out here and view their cars. Please consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.